What's up, everybody? 6262319 here. Today I'm gonna be watching this one. These kids, they did a weird trick and they put fireworks under ice. Kids, let's watch the video. Lighten it, put it under there. It's gonna make a big one. 3, 2, 1. Oh! Okay, lighten it, put it under. It might land in that spot. Oh! It's not gonna explode or something. It's just gonna make it look like that. You don't run fast from this because, oh, whoa, that was an explosion. This guy didn't even put it under there. Pop. Okay, lighten it. Oh, put it on, hurry up. 3, 2, 1. Put it under there. 3, 2, 1. 2. That was your 1. Now that was bigger. That's it. Oh, 2 of them. That's it. You should have stuffed it under there. That didn't make an explosion. I wonder what's that white stuff. That's the water. Oh. Okay, everybody, subscribe to my YouTube. I'm just saying. Oh. What? That's it? Dang. Oh. Oh. You see that? Light another one. Oh, it shot off too. Last one. It's just water. Oh, that is ice. And it didn't make a huge explosion. That's pure ice fruit. For real? Oh, that's a big one. Oh my god. What the? He's putting two on there? Just smoke coming out of there. What the? What the? Now that was big. A huge explosion. Okay, check this out, check this out, check this out. What? That's it. Okay, that is it. Everybody, that is 626 watches fireworks explode under ice. Everybody comment, subscribe. I'll leave a link in the description. If you guys are gonna do this, I'm just playing. Please, everybody, don't do this in real life. I'm not playing. Don't do this. This is seriously dangerous stuff. Okay, everybody. Good luck. Subscribe, comment down below, and put a like on this video, and ring that post notification. Make that post notification ring. Okay, everybody, good luck, and 626 out.